Hey Osvaldo, this is Paul with Grassfire. Just wanted to show you what we're going to be doing with your website, some of the search volume that we're going to be trying to capture, and just what it's going to take to overcome these other websites that are out there that are ranking really high right now. So right now, this website called Concrete Contractors, Dallas, Texas, is ranking #1. They've got a really good name that's going to help them just because it's sort of a keyword in the actual name of the company. But you can see they just talk about their services. They talk about concrete walkways, concrete slabs, driveways, foundations, all of the things that we talked about. They do show different service areas, and then they've got just a blog and some other things. What Google is looking for to rank you is three things: content on your website. Is it keyword rich? We'll look at some of those keywords. Is it done in a way so that AI can pick it up? Is it specific to the local market? And so the algorithm can pick it up as well. Is it educational to your potential client? So those are all things that we want to show. From a branding standpoint, we've got to show some really good images that are profiling the work that you've done and just some of the projects and stuff. So that's going to be helpful and just kind of showing a really nice profile of kind of who you are and what you guys can do as a company. So that's the first thing, is content. The second thing are backlinks. So these are outside websites that will link back to your website and pass power to you. So this will be like creating a blog post on another website. We go and create that blog. In that blog, there's actually some text that says like Dallas Concrete Contractors, and you click on that and it links back to your website. That's going to pass some power to you in Google's eyes and start to push up the search ranking for those keywords. The third thing are name, address, and phone number on online directory. So we're going to go create a whole lot of these things we call citations. They are going to all be consistent. We're going to cast a big footprint. We're going to set up 5 social media channels so that they are out there. Just again, a lot of social proof and creating a big network of where we are on the internet. Those 3 things is what's going to power you up and push you up in search ranking. We're also going to work on your Google business profile to get that up in the map section as well. And those are all of the things that we're doing. So looking at Concrete Contractors, Dallas, Texas, I just typed this in. Who's the competition? You got a couple of guys running sponsored ads up here, these local service ads. You've got another sponsored ad here. We're going to be in that section as well. We're going to beat those guys. You got Dallas Concrete Contractors, Elite Concrete Contractors, Concrete Contractors Dallas, and then you got another sponsored ad. So we're going to be in one of those 3 spots right there is where we're trying to, that's our target. Reviews are going to help us get there, getting those optimized well, all things that are going to get there. And then you got the organic section where we're trying to get into one of these top 3 positions here. So you've got Dallas Concrete Contractors, you got Concrete Contractors, Dallas, Texas, and then Yelp is in there, and then Frontier Waste Solutions is actually in there as well. So let's look at what this website's doing. How strong is it? What are they getting ranked for? How much volume is there? I dropped this in their URL in a program called Ahrefs. It allows me to see how strong the website is. It's a 6 on the domain rating and 6 on the URL rating. They have a ton of these backlinks, but only coming through 84 locations. So it's not necessarily a straight quantity thing. It's definitely quality of the backlink. How strong is it in particular? So these are what we're going to create to strengthen this site up above and beyond these guys. Now you can see there's 244 people landing on this website each month, and that's coming through 31 different keywords. So if we look at those keywords, and there's a ton of volume. So Concrete Contractors, Dallas, Texas, 200 searches a month. This company's getting 68 of those landing on their homepage. Dallas Concrete Contractors, another 200 searches a month. They're getting 67 landing on their page. Concrete Contractors, Dallas, another 135 traffic landing on their page. So as you can see, there's probably, if we added all this up, probably 700-800 just for Dallas. Now, this is not even including like Plano or Richardson or these other areas where you might be wanting to do work. And so there's also other keywords around those. That would be just kind of figuring out what is the plan, the strategy to get the work coming in the door the fastest. That's what we do on the front end to figure all that out. Looking at another website that's just Concrete Works. Dallas, this site is ranking for some other keywords. I just wanted to show you it, but they've got a nice looking website showing some of the work that they're doing, that they do ceiling and patio installation, driveway installation, showing some of their stamped concrete and such. Their content is pretty minimal on the site, so they're not going to be a site that's too hard to beat, but they're ranking #2 for Concrete Driveways Dallas, 100 searches a month. You can see that 10 on the keyword difficulty. That's what I like. That's on that lower end. 36 traffic coming their way. Concrete patio Dallas, 90 searches a month. Again, 9 on the keyword difficulty, 13 traffic coming their way. Concrete contractors Dallas, Texas, they're ranking in 7th position, but they're still getting 11 people clicking on their website. So you don't have to be in the very, very top to get some clicks, but we definitely want to be in up there as high as we can. Residential concrete contractors, 40 searches a month, they're getting 5. Let's look at one other company just so you can kind of see another website. This is Keen. They are doing some concrete work in Dallas as well. And again, don't have a ton of content on their website. They have a little bit, but it's just not enough to really keep them ranking high for that particular keyword. So I just wanted to show you that real quick, just so you can understand a little bit more about what we're doing. It's all about getting the right content on there, building the backlinks that are going to beat your competitors, and then pushing up in the search ranking for your Google Business Profile. That's going to be the citations come into play for that. That also helps your website and not. So ready to get you going as soon as we can, and really excited what we're going to do for you in 2026. And just reach out, 479-445-8086 if you have any questions. Thanks.